Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to continue on with our Microsoft Word tutorial series. If you have not already watched some of my previous videos and this is your first one and you really want to get, a firm grasp or understanding of Microsoft Office products in general, or even more in depth into Microsoft Word, please go take a look at some of my other videos. That if you're watching this for the first time and you definitely don't know anything how to open a Microsoft Word document or any of that, I actually have previous videos that will show you. Just go ahead and take a look at my lineup. Okay, so today we're going to continue on. What we're going to actually focus on today is Microsoft Word, of course, and we're going to create bullets and numbered lists. Not going to go too far into it at this point. We're just going to do the simple create bullet statements or numbered lists, as well as multi-level. Okay, so as you can see, I have some text that I've already put down on the page here. So what you're going to do is you have your options up here, and you have bullets, you have numbering, and you have multi-level. Okay, so to do this, if you have your topic and you're doing a layout that you need, say a recipe or whatever you need, right? So, and you want to make this look a little better and you want to make sure it's formatted as bullet statements, then you're simply going to highlight everything that you want to turn into a bullet statement. You're going to go up here and you're going to click the bullets. All right. You can also do the drop down and select which type of bullets you want, and you can go down through there and you'll see it change as you go. And they have some pretty cool ones. Or if you want to do checks, you can, or some of the other defaults. All right. For this one, we're just going to do the basic. Okay. As you can see, it put the bullet statement there and also shifted the text over so it looks correct. All right. So if you want to do those in numbers, you can. Well, they're still highlighted right now. If they're not highlighted, then you can just simply use your mouse, go ahead and highlight them. And let's go change it. We can actually do the drop down for numbering, and you can see that it'll change it as well. It's just different types, Roman numerals. All right. And let's leave it at this. Okay. Again, it changes it, leaves the shift over. You can actually increase and decrease your indent. So if you want to go back, you can shift it back. If you want to go forward, you can click that, and you can click that again, and it'll keep shifting. All right, so let's back it up, and let's go forward. All right, so multi-level list. Again, if it is not highlighted, go ahead and highlight it. Oop, too much. Go ahead and highlight everything, and let's do multi-level list. Let's go to this. All right, so if you notice, it shifted it back over, right? Because we're actually, with this selected, we're going to do 1 and then 1A. Then there's the I, 1A, I, so forth and so on. Let's actually do this version. I like this version. So what you're going to do is you're going to click behind it. Say you want to add more information on that primary bullet point, right? So click behind it, hit enter, and you'll just simply see how it adds 2. But we don't want it to be 2. We want it to be 1.1. So right there, you're going to sit there and hit tab, right? And it shifts it over. And now you go to 1.1, and you will add in your text, right? Or whatever text that you want to add for your notes to do that outline. This is just basic, it's setting up like an outline, like you would for any kind of syllabus, or even if you're drafting for a book, it's best to go and create an outline, and this is how authors tend to do it. All right? And again, if you go down to the next one, hit enter, hit your tab, and just type in anything, right? And then same thing, if you hit enter there, again, now if you're done and you don't want, say, 2.2 here, when it's right there, you can just go and either decrease, and it'll bring it back to 3. And it, this auto adjusts your numbering. But if you do, then you can just forward it, or you can hit tab. Okay? And it'll keep going. Right? We didn't have anything there, so I hit enter, and it automatically went to number 3 since I did not have any text behind the 2.2. Right? There's options to customize it. So if we wanted to, we can go down here. We can go define new number format. And what that does is you can go and set it. So if you want the font to be different, you can actually change that. Right? So let's do that, and let's say that we want it, I don't know, this color. Hit OK. Right? And then hit OK. And it changes everything. That comes in handy as well. All right, so you can actually go and set up custom configuration, custom formatting for the text if you would like. All right, well, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit me that thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And thanks for watching.